Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can do smooth text slide effect intro in Hitfilm Express 12. So first we will need to create a text like here. Let's make it intro. Let's paste it on the up of the video. Okay, let's align it a little bit like this. Let's make it smaller. Now let's jump to controls, go to transform, change the position like here. And what we can do now, we can animate the position. So let's say that on the beginning, we want ourselves the position to be here. And on a second position, we want ourselves to create another keyframe. By the way, you can go, you can show yourself the keyframe menu by display timeline, clicking here. And now, when we have it, we want our position to be here, like that. And now, let's see it, how it looks like. Let's play it. And what we can do now is to also smooth it. So, wait a second, I will just zoom everything in. And there are two options how we can do that. When you zoom it in, you can make the smooth in, or you can also click here on convert selected keyframe to smooth. So let's do this, and it's much smoother. Or right click, temporary interpolation, smooth in. That's much better. Thank you everybody, hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.